Trev in the building.
What's up, guys? What's up?
About damn time.
I know, man. It's been a while. I'm really excited.
Yeah. Welcome back to another video. We're here with Trevor. Like we said, we got mods for the new Subaru of the channel here. We're about ready to install a new piece that's gonna make it even look even better. Make it stand out.
There you go.
You guys haven't seen the latest video of us installing a custom boot cover shift for the shifter, shift knob, and the mud flaps here that we got here. The link will be up here. Make sure to click on it. It'll take you to that video. If you guys like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the notification button. And like that, guys, let's get to this video.
Let's do it.
He got a little package here.
Got two little goodies right here.
He's eBay sponsored.
Yup.
You guys look at, everybody wants to know what's this big box here, you know what I'm saying?
Yup.
It's from Spec D tuning here. And Trevor right here is gonna do an quick unboxing video on
Some nice LED Spec D tuning headlights that we got right here. These things were about 200 bucks. These ones right here, I had to get them switched out because you can tell they're stock, man. They're kind of stock. No stock.
the moment we've been waiting for, that he's been dying for. He couldn't wait 3 days. He barely got it yesterday. We told him to relax and he didn't want to relax, but we can't blame the guy, you know, he's new. Ooh, separate boxes.
Alright, so there's one headlight right there. There's the second one. Alright,
what is this, guys? Follow us in this transformation here in a few weeks. It's gonna be pretty much show ready. Taking the first car show in 2 months, huh?
Yep.
Like a pad in here, you know?
It's a jumbo pad for my baby. It's her season right now.
Her season. Ooh,
I thought they legitimately gave me like an oversized pad. It looked like a pad.
First, show it to me first, and then show the camera first, and then you look at it.
All right.
Damn! Hold on. Ooh, that's gonna look so sick, bro.
Really?
Trust. Now, turn it around. Look at that.
Bro, no way. That's gonna look so crazy. Oh my.
So clean, bro.
Bro.
Look at that. Ooh, it's gonna look so aggressive, bro. Check it out, guys. Look, I'm not lying. We got the new headlights for the Subaru. We're super excited. Ooh, with them halos, bro.
I know.
You didn't want to wait. That was the fun part right there. The exclusiveness. Oh, we got one more package here too.
We got this little baby one.
Here it is. Ooh, you had to, huh?
I had to get the parrot. I had to get
He doesn't have a license plate yet.
It's still a new car, so it's still gonna say car man.
To install headlights on the Subaru, WRX, STI, RS, all the same. Imprezas. New headlights going in right now. Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna start off removing the bolts for the headlights, and it's gonna be a 10mm socket. There you guys go. Here you go, Trevi.
Thank you. We already took these two bolts off. All we need to do is just take these two right here, remove the covers from right here, and we gotta take out this grill, which I hope isn't a pain in the butt. In order to take this off. Yeah. Come on.
Not my mess.
No, it's like. There we go. So there's one. There we go. Two. Yeah.
Nice. Now the grill part. Hopefully we don't break any tabs.
This right there. One right there, and
boom.
Right
out. Easy. Simple. All you gotta do is just press on the little tabs in there gently, and it comes off. Peter Punkinita.
Sup, subscribers? Don't forget, hit that like, share,
Hell yeah.
comment.
Finally woke up. He had a lot of activities last night, so he's pretty dehydrated. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I don't know, but I feel like with how fast this guy is going and he's not relaxing, he's just buying parts like crazy. We're gonna have to be posting more videos through the week. Yes, more than one video, so that's good news for you guys. And kind of bad news for me because I have to do a lot of editing. Guys, I'm telling you guys, if you guys want some Subi content, then subscribe down below, man. Because we bringing out bangers only. Tell them, Peter.
Bangers only.
Bangers only. Alright, guys, the last bolt that you guys need is in there.
Yeah, man.
Come on, Kamikaze, let's go.
Come on.
Isn't it nice just to watch newbies struggle?
Yeah.
and you don't got to get your finger smashed.
Yeah, I don't know.
Help him out, way. Oh, my mess. Peter, you got 8 years experience right now. Oh my god. You guys how to remove these clips here. What you guys gotta do? Just flick it in there. Bam, easy. Got a little screw right there. It's almost the same thing. You just gotta press on it. Let me just get my finger in there. Bam. That's it, guys. That's how you do
He can do it easily. You know why? Haters.
Headlights. Here it is.
Mm-hmm.
$350. Take it.
Really?
That was Trevor's. Why'd you do it to mine, not his? It's even worse.
Alright guys, this right here comes off from your stock headlight, which is
right here.
which is your blinker light. You gotta take that piece, you're gonna reuse it on the new one, which you have to remove the light blinker, the little light bulb, remove it, and you're gonna connect these wires in there, which already comes with the plug in here, and then put your other blinker there. Bam. The other ones are just basic. They
Plug
fit
and
in,
play.
plug and play. And then these wires here, we have to
Still.
connect it on ground
And power.
and power. The blinker light from the bowl you guys removed is gonna be the lights, the LED lights for this top part right here, and that looks pretty damn cool already. Look at that. So now we gotta see where these are gonna go so we can see the halos. All right, guys. Remember how we told you we need to connect these wires for the halos? You're supposed to connect them originally to the main headlight wires, but that would only mean that these halos would be turned on during the day too, with the headlights off.
They would be on at all times.
Yeah, so I'm gonna splice the wires to the LED lights right here on this bulb, which is the blinker bulb, and that way the halos only turn on when these turn on. You know what I'm saying? When the blinker lights turn on. So then it would only be a nighttime thing, you know? So then the lifespan on these would be way better than having them on during the whole damn day, you know? So that gives them the option to leave them off in the day and on in the night only, which that's a better way, you know?
Better route.
Yeah. So we lifted it up a little bit on the little wire there with the blade, and then we slid this in there and just twisted it up, and then we folded it back, clamped it back down, and we're gonna do the same to the other wire in there, and then this is gonna go in here.
Alrighty. Well,
Are we good? Now plug it back in where it belongs, and you gotta make sure black goes on the black side and the power goes on the green one. So make sure you guys connect that right, or else you're gonna cause some big issue here.
serious problems.
Damn.
Yep. Plugged in.
Perfect. See, that's how it's gonna look in the end, guys. See.
So
Bam.
should we see if it
We
went
didn't-
through?
Moment of truth. Ah. Yup. And it works. Yeah, they work, bro. Check it out.
That is crazy.
What do you think? Tell the viewers what you think right now.
I think this isn't my car.
Stock. Bam, right there. Dude, that's so
yeah.
sick. I can't believe that. I was like, all right, guys, keep staying tuned so you guys can see the finished masterpiece here. We have to use the OEM bolts to put them on the new one.
Those
Oh.
new ones.
And you got to put the new one in the bracket here.
Yeah.
It came with the new
Some
headlights
brand
right
new
here.
ones right there.
No, my mess. Those are splices. Oh my God, Trevor. Really, Trevor? It comes with its own splices, guy. We're kind of dumb, but kind of smart at the same time. It's still good. Fool. So now you have two ways to connect these things, you know. As we're gonna use it with the original pieces here. It's probably easier, you know, but my idea was still pretty smart. Guys, so right here we're gonna cut this piece off because you want to start with the fresh wire. You're gonna slide this mother trucker in here. Bam. Then this guy goes in the other end where it has a little ends on there. So once it's in there, you just gotta close it, make sure everything's in the spot, and just jam it in there. And there you guys have it. Quick seal. Bam. Done.
Again, another easy task.
The splicers here, you got to make sure they're really,
Nice and
pinched in there. So you got pliers and make sure they pinch them in nice and tight. The headlights are on.
Mhm.
All right, guys, let's look. Here it is. Bam. Ooh. Look at that, dude. That looks so good.
Oh, wait.
That looks so good, dude.
Should I turn on the
That is
LEDs?
dope. Yeah, turn the LEDs on to see if they work. So this is how it works here. Everything's on. You can see a difference.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
That's way different. That's sick.
Jeez. Well, man, I can't wait to see this car. Like,
Fully equipped
Yeah,
with aftermarket
dude.
parts.
get everything put back together. Here's a little cinematic of before and after. All right, guys, check it out.
So Kyrus.
Want to see how it looks on the road? Damn. That looks good. That looks so dope. Installed the new headlights in. It looks so badass, dude. I don't know, I give it a 10. What do you guys think? Comment down below, let us know. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, hit the notification button so you won't miss any more videos. We got more Subi content for you guys coming because we only bring bangers only. Here with the homie Trevor, he's in love right now. He's about to take it to Spokane. All right, guys. With that said, make sure to stay positive, no negativity. Keep staying active, guys. All right, see you guys in the next episode. Peace.